Welcome, lovers of food and life. This is the channel dedicated to all things food and travel. My name's Jennifer and it's great to have you here. Okay, so I have a throwback video for you right now, and this is a chili hot chocolate. Enjoy!
Okay, so for today's recipe, we're going to be making a delicious, thick, creamy hot chocolate with a chili kick. And for this, we will need coconut milk, coconut cream, dark chocolate, vanilla paste. If you look closely, you can see the flecks of vanilla just there. We'll also need cinnamon, vegan marshmallows, cocoa powder, and a fancy glass mug with your pinky at the ready. You'll also need our brand of Scotch bonnet chili powder, which is available on our website. And this is made up of Scotch bonnet chilies like these that have been dried and ground. Alternatively, you can use a fresh bird's eye chili. Okay, first things first, let's get our hob up to a medium heat. You'll then need to add your coconut milk to a pan. And once you've done that, you'll need to add your cinnamon so that can infuse into the milk. Once you're done with that, you can add your chili powder. Now, this stuff is fire, so do use with caution. You'll need just the tiniest amount. If you are using a fresh bird's eye chili, you'll just need to split it down the middle like so and add to your milk. Then we're going to add our vanilla paste, and once we're done with that, we're going to stir everything well, and we're going to leave the milk for approximately 8 minutes, in which time you can make yourself useful or not. Okay, so before the milk could embarrass me on the internet, I took it off the hob and then I removed my cinnamon sticks. I did end up using 2 in the end. Then we're going to add our chocolate. And one thing to note is once you've added your chocolate, you're going to stir the milk until you notice that it's changed texture. So you'll see that it will start off looking like this, and then change to this, and eventually turn to this. And once you're done with that, you're going to turn your hob off and then add your coconut cream. Once you've added your coconut cream, you're going to give everything one last stir, and then you're ready to pour into your glass or mug of choice. There we go. Lovely. And once you're done with that, you can top with your marshmallows and then dust with some cocoa powder. Now, my blow heater I had on my counter was actually blowing the cocoa powder in my direction. So I turned that off and then tried again. But I continued to make a mess. So yeah, it's just whatever. Okay, so there we go. Our chili hot chocolate.
So there we have it, chili hot chocolate, the perfect treat all year round. Give it a try, let me know what you think. The full recipe can be found on our website. I'll be back with more recipes, but until then, see you soon.